Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So onto this video, I just want to show you guys how I make wonton soup. Very simple dinner. So I'm going to show you guys the ingredients. So this is the ingredients that we need to make wonton soups. We have here chicken bouillon, we have salt and ground black pepper, sliced pork, we have garlic, ginger, and then this is 3 stalks of green onions. We also have here soy sauce. Here for our filling, we have ground pork, we have diced green onions, this is 2 stalks, cornstarch, granulated sugar, garlic powder, ginger powder, and then we also have here soy sauce, sherry cooking wine, and also we have marine cooking seasoning. So if you don't know the sherry, this is what it looks like. So sherry cooking wine, and also we have marine sweet cooking seasoning. So this two, I mix it with the soy sauce. We have wonton wraps that you can buy from Walmart or any grocery stores. And of course, we need water and cooking oil. So no further ado, let's get started. So we're gonna wait until it's hot. The oil is hot. Ayan, guys, I'm excited. It's very simple. And also, I made white rice. Alright, guys, we are going to put our sliced pork. We're going to cook our pork until it's slightly brown. And now we are going to put our ginger and garlic. Okay, so this is done. We are going to put water. I can smell the ginger, so now we are going to put water. Google, give me 6 cups of water. Oh, dispense some 6 cups of water from kitchen faucet. Okay, 6 cups of water is in here. Okay guys, so we're going to put our chicken bouillon, ground black pepper, and salt. And of course, we're going to put our green onions. There you go. And then we're going to put our soy sauce. And now we're going to let it boil for 30 minutes. Okay guys, so we are going to make our filling. So we have ground pork, and then we're going to put our green onions, ground ginger, garlic powder, sugar, and then cornstarch. And then we're going to put our soy sauce, sherry, and marine. Now we just mix it together. Okay, our filling is fully combined. That's good. Wrapping the wontons is done, so we're almost finished. So we're gonna, of course, we're gonna put that wonton up here. There you go, guys. So we just dunk that one in the soup. There you go. Just put it all of them. All right, we're gonna wait until it's floating. When it's floating, it's done. So I would let it cook for 10 to 15 minutes. You go. Set another timer for 15 minutes.
Second timer for 15 minutes. And we're starting now.
Ayan. Okay guys, so our wonton soup is done. It's done. Here you go. As you can see, it's done guys. So I'm gonna serve now because we are hungry. Matt and I are hungry. So I'm gonna serve the wonton with the white rice. And I'll give Matt a white rice if you want to. There you go. And this is mine. Alright, let's put some wonton soup in the bowl. Woo. Namit. Yummy. Matt loves this wonton soup. He loves it. Ayan guys. Here you go. Yum! This is our wonton soup, guys. Here you go. Wonton soup. Okay, guys. So this is our wonton soup. Here you go. So yummy. And then with the rice. White rice. Okay, guys. So we're going to taste the wonton soup. Oh, it's so good. It's good for the weather. Mmm. Mmm. So good. Mm. Mm. Ooh. So good. Very good. You can taste the ginger. It goes into your throat. It's so good. Mm. Mm. Hot. Oh my god, so good. Mm. I'm gonna check my husband. Baby, how's the wonton soup?
Very yummy.
Mm. It's really, really good, guys. Really, really good. Very yummy. Ooh. Mm. Okay, guys, so I'm going to continue eating my dinner. So hopefully you enjoyed this video and hopefully you'll make this at home. It's really, really good. So don't forget, I'll put the ingredients and then the measurement at the end of this video. So guys, thank you so much for watching. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe to my channel. And thank you so much for supporting my YouTube. So anyhow, bye guys. Thank you. See you in my next one. Bye. Thank you so much. Here's wonton for you. Mm. Mm.